Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S coming here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with 450. 450 with a song called Wild and Rich. It's a music video. It dropped about a day ago. I see it, but because I'm busy, I react to Fully Bad and 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. Just reach. Virgin just reach. Show your face. Show your in there. Yeah. Virgin just reach and he might tell me about a song where 450 drop. I say, I bet say this. So we're there. 450, big up yourself. Let's go. But before we do, watch this. Sorry to cut your reactions video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me in my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_worst_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video. Alright. Know you seen that? Do the right and don't make the right do no. Alright? So let's jump in one and hear what the G say. Let's go!
Can't style.
Was the video clean?
Manu, every quarter and style now book. Girl, I mean you can't tie now hook.
Hold on, take out the class. Hey, girl, you're not trouble, no, mister. That video just started. I'm gonna like her already. Wait. She look good, I'm gonna like her. Pretty nuts. Let's go.
Manu, every quarter and style now book. Girl, I mean you can't tie now hook.
Directed by Manic. Manic, big up yourself. Production team, big up yourself.
Quarter and style now book. Girl, I mean you can't tie now hook. From a day I be a vibes I push. She says I hype your look. Hey girl, you can't style me, my mama. While I check it, brand new man and nuts. Fine by me more.
So it look like that girl was the GX. So you must say you be a style you push, you get a brand new one, brand new man. Alright.
From a day I be a vibes I push. She says I hype your look.
It's a hype your look. Yeah, girl, it's a hype your look off 5G. Move your bamba class. See G turn up in the front time, big body Benz. Where you come out of? Man, carry you come out of?
From a day I be a vibes I push. She says I hype your look. Hey girl, you can't style me, my mama. While I check it, brand new man and nuts. Fine by me, more up you. Find happiness, more up you. Enjoy it, and when things don't work, I hope you don't call me book.
You hear that? I hope you find happiness. I hope you enjoy it. But when things fuck up, guys are gonna fuck up because of your fuck up ways. So when things fuck up, fuck off. Know that. What? Somebody, yeah.
Find happiness, more up you. Enjoy it, and when things don't work, I hope you don't call me book. Not no fool, don't need you. And in my type, I'm a high.
Hold on. I never meant to pass it, Panay, but you
girl by noon, if you know.
The girl hotter than summer in Egypt. Girl thick like she drink cement soup. Girl thick like grandma clock. Yo, 450. We're gonna knock on our door for a while ago. Just hold out now, G. To be honest, me could have hold out neither, cause if me have a neighbor like that, I'm used to fuck it and me just start. As a man drive out, me drive in, jump 2 fence, take Nadine, Kakaro push the coke in, the tall radin, make she run like a engine she have in, disappear like bin. Alright, let's go. I'm not getting no.
When things don't work, I hope you don't call me book. Not no fool, don't need you. And in my type, I'm a high. Get a girl by noon, if you know my hoe. Can't style man thing how you feel like.
Get a girl by noon, if you know me a hoe. Put some respect on the G. You know what G a hoe? Eh? Girl by noon, if I left this one, I get a girl by noon. Come full of them. Yeah.
Faith in your banana, yet in a fuck. A big pussy girl or you fuck. Play with my love after.
The G cut up. The G earth. Yeah. The G earth like the soil is earth. Planet earth. Yo. The G walk in and chuck her and say, hey girl, hey big pussy girl, how you ramping there? Fuck ya, fuck. Hey, you are giving the pussy away now. What are you doing? Yo, what?
Faith in your banana, yet in a fuck. A big pussy girl or you fuck. Play with my love after me. Invest some money, I'm time in your. But all this time I been a pay for your sluts is like
After I invest my money and my time in here, but all this time I've been paying for a slut. Watch it now. I always tell the G them this. And this is not aim at 450. I know. I always tell the G them this. Men, when time you have a girl and then I spend part, don't take it as an investment. You can't invest in a woman. Go buy a piece of land. You see me? Go buy a couple of bus, run taxi, buy a couple of truck, put on the road, buy a house. That is the investment. Money you come back in. Them girls take your money every day, brother. Them not give back nothing. Yeah?
invest some money and my time in a yo. But all this time I been a pay for your sluts is like man. Want move forward but man can't come stuck. Nah.
That girl are wicked to blood clot. What if you go fuck it back? You want go fuck it? You want fuck it back? You want fuck it back?
Time I been a pay for your sluts is like man. Want move forward but man can't come stuck. Nah, me a nice same from your cut. Me a pray violent.
Man say me nah lie. I'm not the same from your cut. So basically man say yo, him lose him dirty freak, him lose him girl, him lose him, you know? Yeah.
Can't come stuck. Nah, me a nice same from your cut. Me a pray violence, you better pray with no book.
And some of them girls we do what she do at the start of the video for make the man jealous, you know. Just make a man drop her home. Just a regular man drop her home. She probably fuck the man, she probably not fucking the man. But you know, so yo, when the G see that, the G heart I go leap. Bubble guts, brrr, what shit? Yeah. So she probably do that for no say yo, I better say after that man I leave him forward back. You see me? Them girl are wicked too. Them toxic too. Yeah.
Hey girl, remember dark and corrupt, but you remember say you can't style me, mama. While I reach you get a brand new man and nuts. Find by me, more up you. Find happiness, more up you. Enjoy it and when things don't work, I hope you don't call me become. Not no fool, don't need you. And in my table, I get a...
Tell us something too. You see them toxic girl, yeah? Me not call her toxic, but you see, big up the girl in the video. You look at mama. You see them girls sometimes too, them like a man if you take control, bad them up, the one bag of thing. You see how the start of the video, oh my boy forward out and what me can do and rare. Upon that. You see how if you to walk in and chuck her and hold her in her short chest and say, hey girl, come here, sit down on body. Now, damn thing that girl them like them thing there.
Not no fool, don't need you. And in my table, I get a girl by noon. If you know my hoe, can't style man thing away you feel like. Try go.
Buckle, man, I'm reaching back, you know? Well, I the door, that's something. Who the I door? Who the I door? Who the I door? Well, I the one who the I door?
No man, who can't style man thing away you feel like. Try go round, my bum, see a plan. Wolf in a sheep, you a bitch in a Brazilian.
Bumbo clot. Dance to the rhythm, chaka chaka. Dance to the rhythm, chaka chaka. Everybody fear dance, chaka chaka. What go on you say now? My boy walking, look down on 450, look up on she. What go on?
Try go round, my bum, see a plan. Wolf in a sheep, you a bitch in a Brazilian. Style me for 30 grand, me sold 1 millions. Karma is a bitch and you and her have a resemblance. No, I should have fucked by you. You for no say me have options too.
450 do it for purpose. It look like him do it for spite. It look like the G knows that the G are going to return. So he knows dead. I make him come catch them. I don't know. Me can't. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know what I'm going to say that.
I don't know what the fuck you approve. But I got news for you, baby. Can't style me, my mama.
Bumbo clap! Wait, it's a plan. Wait. 450 probably know that G and say, yo, my G. Don't wife up the girl, you know. That girl is a little terrorist, you know. Don't big up mama. I'm just speaking in context of the video. Not you per se. Yeah. Them plan this. Watch
I
it.
should have fucked by you. You for no say me have options too. I'm gonna know what the fuck you approve. But I got news for you, baby. Can't style me, my mama. While I reach you get a brand new man and nuts. Find by me, more up you. Find happiness, more up you. Enjoy it and when things don't work, I hope you don't call me become. Not no fool, don't need you. And in my table, I get a girl by noon. If you know my hoe, can't style man thing away you feel like.
At this point, me a hear 450 I say, but me nah dissect what I say. Me a hear, but me nah listen. Me a watch walk one.
Why you for one, I got your time up. You never read, I know me find out. Waste of time, but me no mind though. Nah gonna lie, nah gonna lie. Still I live my life and me no lose sleep. Me no need you and me you need. Think you're the different.
Me no need you or you. Me no need
Nah gonna lie, nah gonna lie. Still I live my life and me no lose sleep. Me no need you and me you need.
Me no need you and me you need. So basically, I say, oh, he no need you for nothing. He no need you because right now, him being to the same have whole heap of options. Right now, him there so with a different girl. Options! Yeah.
Still I live my life and me no lose sleep. Me no need you and me you need. Think you're the different and a unique. Use your mother, you can't use me. Hey.
Think you're different and unique. Use your mother, you can't use me. Go girl, I'm gonna use your mother. Roll.
Think you're the different and a unique. Use your mother, you can't use me. Hey girl, you can't style me, my mama. While I check it out. Brand new man and that's fine.
You that get a pretty man, youth? Yo, look on the girl. A them brown skin girl like a problem, you know? Huh? What? Look at the girl, man. Perfect. A them brown kid get me so no. Me lost half on her, but me no want to know.
Hey girl, you can't style me, my mama. While I check it out. Brand new man and that's fine by me, up you. Fine up in this smoke you. Enjoy it and when things don't work, more up you. Look at me, become up.
I'm confused after the video. What going on? I'm confused. I'm confused. Was that a planting? Because of the whole rewind thing. Oh, alright. So, yeah, help me break this down. If you understand it? Eh? I think. So don't do it yet. So the video done now, right? No, man, the video done, man. So I might think so when okay, because it rewind back, so I might think so when it okay. So this fly on the end. So hold on, let play it. Yo, me not stop it. Let play it again.
Can't style us,
Let play it again. Me not stop it. Let play it again.
I know every quarter style now book. Girl, I me you can't tie now hook. From a 𝐑𝐄𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍 push. She says I hype look.
Me get it. So right to the part, yeah. Yeah, this happened at the end. So everything play out, and I'm thought say, you know, say me go fuck up that girl. Thanks for this, bro. Yeah. You know, say me go fuck up that girl though. Let's fuck up a relationship. But him have him woman and a females. So yo, 450, that's creative, bro. 450. I have one problem with you, though, bro. I have one problem with you. I'm telling you my problem with you. You drop some quality music, you drop some things. But you leave it on too much cliffhanger, brother. You leave it on too much cliffhanger, bro. Look on, what name? Cole Street. Cole World. With Ricky Knight. What happened to Ricky? Ricky, what man? No, we don't see what go on. We're part 2 there. That alone me a cuss for. That alone me a cuss for me, J. What go on? That one you know. We want to see the outcome. We want to see you fuck up our relationship because me up on your side. I'm a man, me up on your side. The relationship will get fucked up. Yeah. If me not fucking nobody else, not fucking my girl. Relationship will get fucked up and so they think so. I'm toxic. Aha! I am toxic. That is it. Yeah. Anyway, guys, we got my G for open my eye to what just going on a while ago because I was so confused. Thanks, bro. Thank you very much. Yeah. Anyway, this time I'm going to leave that one, guys. If you enjoyed that one and want some more, leave a like on the video. Subscribe around here if you are new. And I will see you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.